Okay, so for B, we have a misunderstanding that somehow nearest neighbor and sorted edges should give you the same answer, and that is not true. So with the cheapest link with sorted edges, what I need to do first is find the absolute cheapest edge in the whole graph, and that would be from A to D. And A to D had a weight of 34. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of the vertices here because it helps us make our choices instead of putting everything on the original graph. Okay, so then the next two cheapest links, we have a tie with the 35s, right? So we have a 35 from A to E, which is fine. We don't have a degree of 3 and a circuit before we're ready. And C to D has a weight of 35. Same thing, no degree of 3s, no circuits before we're ready. Okay, next was the weight of 36, and that FE had a weight of 36. Now there was another 36, but I think you see, I'm going to go ahead and write a different color here. If I use that 36, that would give me a degree of 3. And since I'm trying to make a circuit, that will not work, will it? Okay. All right, so I would say that we're ready for our next two edges anyway, because I have to make a cycle. And you see B has not been visited yet. And I think you see that we're going to have a cycle if we take the edge from F to B. And that had a weight of 40. I forgot my 36 in there, sorry. And then B to C, which had a weight of 46. All right, so when we add all those up together, we get 226 units.